Okay, we are going to do another cup with the glitter Koala Waterslide paper. I did hear back from my rep, and she assures me that this is clear paper. It's not. It's just not. So I'm going to let this soak and talk a minute. This is a piece of my cutoff from the end that I soaked already, and that is white, not clear. So it's still gorgeous. I mean, I absolutely love it. The other cup we did is gorgeous. This cup is going to be gorgeous, but that is not clear. So take out the grain of salt. On the package, it looks clear. I mean, that's obviously a white cup, but on these clear glass candle holders, the only white you see is the candle. You can see the top edge of the water slide. It's clear. So if you order these, you may get white, you may get clear. That's all I can say. I don't know. But again, it's gorgeous, so I'm going to continue to use it. For all I know, I'm going to run across a clear piece in the package. So, who knows? But I'm going to work on this pink cup since this is white. I had spray painted a light pink and a darker pink. Well, actually, I already had the dark pink one spray painted, so I'm just going to go with that one. Whoops. Because it's a good match to my image, which I lost it in the water. Yeah. Duh. So, I'm letting this soak. My water's a little warmer today. Hopefully it's not too warm. And I did finally remember to get some pans at Dollar Tree to soak them in. I'm just turning my cup in the water here. So, let's see. This should be ready to go by now. And I do think we're going to add a little extra glitter this time. I haven't decided if I want to use a gold or a pink. But because this image has a little bit of extra room at the top and bottom. So that's started. I'm going to not grab my image, just my paper at the bottom. And I'm going to try to be careful. I'm going to pull a little bit and then I'm going to even it back up. See about how I'm going to end up here. So that should be pretty good. So I'm just going to, with even pressure, slide the paper out. Somewhat even pressure anyways. Alright, so I did travel. I'm going to carefully pull that back down. Rest that there. I'm going to pull this back a little bit just because I do have a wrinkle here that I'd like to smooth out. Okay. So, take my squeegee tool. This paper, clear, white, whatever, goes on. I have to be honest, this is the easiest water slide I've ever applied. This is twice now that I've had great results and no issues. So, I am very pleased with that aspect of it. And this is just sealed with regular Rust-Oleum 2X gloss. It doesn't have any Plastidip, anything fancy, just regular old gloss. am trying to manipulate it just a tiny bit, but I don't want to wrinkle it and wreck it, so I think I'm going to leave it alone. So I'm going to squeegee it a little more. I can see a bubble under the white. I'm going to let it sit and dry and come back in and get my epoxy on. And like I said, I might sprinkle a little bit of a glitter on this if I can pick a color I like. I may actually use this one that I still have out, the 2 Summer Nights, because that kind of looks like a decent match to this faux glitter that's already on here. So I may just roll with that since it's out, but I'll be back. Okay, I am ready to get the resin on this. It is all dried. It looks beautiful. Hopefully you can see that glitter. I'm not going to add anything to my epoxy, just a clear coat. So I want to put some glitter on this, and I'm a little, do I want to do a little at the top and the bottom, or do I want to follow this faux glitter line? But I think because there's multiple faux glitter lines, I'm just going to do around the top and the bottom. I'm going to use the Summer Nights one because it kind of matches that faux glitter pretty well. And there's different color in the bun printing on this one than the print of the cup itself, which I thought was unusual about this wrap compared to all of the others I use. So, I think this glitter, because it's got more color and dimension, will work fine. So I'm done. I'm going to do the top and the bottom. That way I can put a little bit at the bottom. And I'm just going to I'm not going for a full coverage here. I'm just going for a hint. So I am using a gloved hand and just hand placing glitters until I feel like it's just right. I mean, the whole thing already has the overall sparkle from the Waterslide paper, so. And this is a chunky mix, so hopefully it will all lay down and behave. And I'm going to do a little at the top as well, just because. Just because I can. So when this coat is dry, this will get a clear coat over the top, probably 2, but it won't be anything fancy or special, so. And I do believe that is plenty of glitter. So that is it for this one. I will see you in the next video, but first I'm going to give you a little close-up.